Hello, Joshua.
Um,
Kindly solve this problem regarding about the application of the linear law and logarithms. The table below shows experimental values of two variables, x and y. So kindly check the values of the x and the y. Just know that x and y are related by an equation of the form cube root of y is equal to p q raised to the power of x, where p and q are constants. So A, express this equation in a form suitable for plotting a straight line graph, stating the variables that must be used for the horizontal and vertical axis.
Opo. Okay, so we can rewrite this cube root as a fractional exponent. And then now we can take ln on both sides. So
What is ln? For those
natural logarithm.
natural logarithm.
Logarithm with the base e.
Okay.
So we can move this exponent to the from the from being an exponent to an actual constant. So when in logarithms, when you take the logarithm of a product, the logarithms of the factors are added. Actually, I will rearrange this first, so it will be
So put the steps if so that for those who are trying to learn.
yeah. So rearrange
Yes.
that. So we can actually identify already which we want this form y equals mx plus b. We can identify which variable corresponds to which variable. This looks like y. When there's just one term in the left side is y, and then there's a product of terms as of the first addend or the oggend mx, and then the last addend, which is actually a constant, that's b. So now it is suitable for graphing. We expressed it in the slope-intercept form. So now we'll just share the Excel spreadsheet I already made. Okay, so if you can see,
What are
this is
those points
these
mean?
values are these numbers on the S column are the values of x, and this is of L and Y. So
Okay.
we can now graph that. There's actually a simple way to I'll just find there's a simple way to graph it. You just click this insert chart. Once you select all of the items, x must always be first from the y. Okay, so now we have graphed it.
This is a spreadsheet from LibreOffice, right?
Yes.
Libre in Filipino means free. So free.
So ln y equals negatives 0.6704000, which is good. Actually, we've reached 000. Okay, so this is y equals mx plus b. So that's the slope-intercept form. We already found the values of m and b, which are constants. So now we can I'll just where's the calculator? I'll
Hold
just
on. I'll just get the calculator.
I will input those values into the calculator as memories. Oh, I can insert text. Accidental discovery. Alright, so I've already inputted those values into my calculator. It's time to go back to the whiteboard.
Yes. So can you show the viewers, what calculator are you using? What scientific calculator?
It's I don't know if you can see.
Not
It's
not
a
in here. Ah,
Casio
yes.
FX991EX.
Yes, this scientific calculator is adequate for solving this kind of problem.
Okay, so plot the graph. We've already done that actually. Plot the graph. I'll just highlight it. We've already done
And then
this.
for the A, can you box the or highlight their answer? And is there any other way how do you write that? Or that's enough?
I think that's enough already. So I once again will put it in the form as necessary. But yes, enough. X L N Q.
See that?
We can actually to make this easier. I'll just distribute the 3. So the slope is already saved. The slope is which is equal to 3 ln q
Right. Nicely.
is approximately negative. It's not supposed to
You can put there is equal to m. That's your slope. So for the viewers who are trying to learn. Yes.
I'll also prepare a tiny laser pointer in case it's needed. There. And then the y-intercept, which is b, we already found that too. By y. Into this y. 4.1616.
What is that? So write it. This is equal to.
So we can divide let's say we can divide m by 3. So q equals e to the 0.6704 over 3. I'll just move this a little bit closer. Something like an exponent. Let's have to find the sweet spot there.
Okay.
And then p equals e to the.
What is e there?
E is Euler's constant. It's
Euler's
also the
constant. Yes.
to the 4.167 over 3, which is approximately e to the x over 3. This is approximately 0.80. It's actually 0.79974 something. It's pretty close anyway. And then e to the y over it's displayed as 4.00365. Oh, I put too many significant digits.
Okay. For letter C, use your graph to estimate the value of x and y is 10.
Okay, we found it. Use your graph to estimate the value of x when y is 10. So, so we can have a clear judgment when x is approximately 10. Actually, this the when y is 10. Oh, when y is 10. Y is approximately, let's say, 10 somewhere here. So we expect our answer to be in between 2 and 3.
Just put it. Just leave it. Leave your
So
brackets.
this be in between 2 and 3. So we already established the, oh, I wrote ln continuously. It looks like an H. So we have already established the connection between y and x directly. Well, actually, instead of doing that, because we already have the values here, we can just put the 0.6704
No,
there.
you're right. But it's that so that it's for those
I need
for
to
the
evaluate.
for no
I
for
need to evaluate.
for the viewers who
If
are
only I
trying to
could
learn.
copy paste anyway. LN10. Maybe it would have been a better idea if I used LG.
You can try if you want on the next page if you will come up with the same answer.
I don't have the graph prepared. It takes a minute, a few
Okay.
minutes. Equals the reduces. Oh, I can't use the shift solve function, so I have to do it manually. In part.
Yes, write everything there. So
Okay, so
for the viewers
we
to
can
appreciate your solution.
so it's like ln10 over 4 point. Oh wait, how do I do this?
Is that? What is that?
So we can now evaluate x as, oh, I can't evaluate it exactly. I need to use that. It's important to use approximation signs when you're doing your first approximation. Two significant figures. There. And indeed, like we were hypothesizing earlier. X is indeed between 2 and 3 when y is 10.
yes. So
And it's closer
X
to
is,
3 because 10 is closer to 8 than to 16.
yes.
So
It
this
makes sense.
it makes sense a lot.
Yes.
Are there any other questions? No more.
Okay.
So thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.